Octavian Augustus Caesar ruled from 27 BCE through 14 CE. Augustus is widely considered the first true emperor of Rome, starting his rule in 27 BCE. The great-nephew of Julius Caesar, Augustus, set out to avenge Caesar's death following his assassination. This was no easy task, and he had to battle Mark Antony and Cleopatra to gain complete power. Augustus is viewed as one of Rome's best emperors, who saved Rome from going into further chaos and created a structured, prosperous, and stable empire. Augustus helped facilitate many reforms, including new buildings, the Praetorian Guard, an elite section of the Roman army, a police force, and a fire brigade. Additionally, without internal turmoil, the empire was able to focus on expanding its territory into Germany and Spain. It was through Augustus's reign that the 200-year Pax Romana, which is peace throughout the Roman Empire, began. Many believe Augustus laid the foundation for future emperors and set up Rome for prosperity for hundreds of years to come. The rule of Augustus is generally regarded as the end of the Roman Republic. Augustus and many emperors after him would be more like monarchs, having almost complete power. As you read about other emperors, you'll see this did not always work out well for Rome. And this picture shows the extent of the Roman Empire under Augustus Caesar.